My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we are again talking about Digibyte, friends. A lot of people personally message me that what should we do at this time, friends, when they see the files occur in Digibyte. So they directly message me on Instagram that what should we do at this time, friends. So finally I can't reply everyone because a lot of people message me. I decide to make a video for my viewers, for my subscriber at this time, friends. So keep watch this video till the end, friends. And this video I will give you a best suggestion for all of you if you are a holder of DGB coin, friends. So keep watch this video and remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. If we talk about the current price of Digibyte, so the currently at this time live price of Digibyte, as you know, 0.155159 USD dollar is the currently price of Digibyte, friends. And if we talk about the change occur in Digibyte, so positive last 1 hour change is going positive, and last 1 day change as a negative, friends, and last 1 week change as positive, friends. So that's mean that only the last 1 day price change is a negative, friends. How, why, what's the reason behind that's why the last 1 day price change is negative, friends? Simple reasons, friends. As you know, today is the 3rd day of a new month, friends. The price change occur negative in the last 1 day, friends, due to the only one reason, due to the start of a new month, friends, as you know, friends. Now, friends, as you can see here, the last 1 day price change as negative 2.33%. At this point, friends, only and only falls occur in a Digibyte, friends. Over and over falls, as you can see here, falls, and now at this time they are also in the falls, friends. But I hope now at this time the last 1 hour the price change is positive and they take a jump, friends. So I hope this jump is a continuously, that's not a temporary jump, and this jump continue till the last of this month, friends. So what's the highest price of Digibyte in the last 1 month, friends? Sorry, 1 day, friends. 0.164074 USD dollar is the highest price of Digibyte, friends. So now how you can make a decision at this time, friends, on the basis of technical analysis. My suggestion for all of you is that to please hold your coin in this time, friends, because if you look the last 1 day price change, so the last 1 day price change as in negative, friends, but soon the change become positive, friends. As you know, at this time the price change again take a jump, friends. So maybe this jump is the highest jump of Digibyte, friends, and the price become very high, friends, and we can't say about the future of any cryptocurrencies. Maybe they had a 1 USD dollar in the last half of this month, friends. We can't say about, friends. It is cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies change your life in a minutes, friends. So, friends, it's depending on luck, friends, but on the basis of technical analysis, my decision as for all for you is that to please hold your coin. You are in the last 1 day, you are also in the lost price, and maybe there's a lot of chances again today take a jump, friends, and they will give you a good amount of profit in the future, friends. So what's your opinion about Digibyte? Please also share your opinion in the comment box, friends, and kindly, friends, don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more news and updates.